Hyundai Santa Cruz. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz combines functionality, style, and affordability as an alternative to the large and expensive structure of full-size pickups. This model, built on Hyundai's Tucson crossover, offers practicality in carrying mountain bikes, garden mulch, or other large items with its 4-foot truck bed, while it can also be completed in comfort and modernity for city use. The 2025 Santa Cruz offers a sharper and more aggressive exterior look, compatible with the 2025 Tucson SUVs with its renewed grille and front bumper design. In equipment such as the XRT model, details such as special 18-inch wheels, Meteor tires, tow hooks, and new daytime running lights increase the vehicle's off-road aura. In SE and SEL versions, the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine produces 191 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. The XRT features a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine, 281 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, providing livelier acceleration. The Santa Cruz stands out with its spacious and functional interior. There is plenty of legroom and headroom in both the front and rear seats, while the interior design uses a traditional gear lever, providing a personalized experience for the driver despite the digital instrument clusters. A 12.3-inch infotainment screen is standard on the SE and SEL trims, while the upper trims, XLE, XSE, combine two 12.3-inch, all-screen digital panels into one. This system offers advanced features such as wired Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB-C ports, a fingerprint scanner, and Hyundai Pay. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz is offered in performances starting at $30,000 depending on trim and features, and can go up to $44,000 for the top trim levels.